Hi, boys and girls. Today you met Zeke Zebra, and now we're going to learn more about zebras in this book called Go Wild Zebras. Now, boys and girls, while you're listening to the story, I want you to listen for what zebras eat, how they keep themselves safe, and how they use their bodies to survive. So let's find out. This is a photo of a safari zebras. These are zebras. You can see all these zebras on both pictures. Zebras are famous for their black and white stripes, but a baby zebra has brown and white stripes. So you can see this baby zebra with its brown and white stripes. Zebras live in Africa. This is some zebras at the watering hole. They like to live around other animals. So here they are, living around some other animals you'll see in the background. Zebras sleep standing up, but only when around other animals. Hello! This is good because they warn zebras if there is trouble. So the other animals will warn the zebras, hey, there's trouble coming, and the zebras will take off running. Goodbye. Zebras can hear really well. This is helpful because zebras talk to each other by barking. So they bark to each other and their good hearing helps them listen to each other. What else do you think their good hearing could help them with? Do you think it could help them hear predators coming? Remember, predators are things that try to eat them. Yeah, it could definitely use their good ears to hear a predator coming. Zebras can run for a long time. This is good because it helps them run away. What do you think they need to run away from? Yeah, danger or trouble. Or they're predators, which cause them danger and trouble. Zebras have strong legs. This is good because zebras kick to protect themselves. And I was reading up about zebras, and you know what I learned? I learned that zookeepers often would prefer to work with the lions than the zebras because the zebras are really mean and they kick really hard. So zebras are actually pretty dangerous, so we want to stay away from them. We don't want them to kick us, right? Zebras can see really well. This is good because it helps them find food and stay safe. So they use their good eyesight to see food and they use it to stay safe. How could they use it to stay safe though? Do you think they use it to see if predators are coming? Or to see if there's a storm coming? Yeah, that way they can run away or find a shelter. Zebras have good teeth for grinding. This is good because they like to eat grass. Oh, we just learned what zebras eat. What do zebras eat? Grass. Zebras are covered with stripes. This is good because it helps them hide. They can blend in with the sticks from trees with their stripes. Zebra stripes might all look the same, but each zebra stripes are as different as you and me. So every zebra has their own unique stripes, just like you have your own fingerprint, and our faces all look different. Zebras are the same way. They all have their own set of stripes. These are thirsty friends. They're all drinking from a watering hole. The end. Bye-bye, says the zebra. All right, you're going to have to answer the questions. What do zebras eat? What do they do to protect themselves? And how do they use their bodies to survive? We learned a lot of things in this book, and there's lots of different answers for some of those questions. So you think in your head, what do you think a good answer would be for those? And then go ahead and answer those on Seesaw. If you can't remember the answer to a question, or if you're not sure what the answer is, then you can go back and watch this video again and again and again until you know the answer. You got it, boys and girls.